Hello friends, now we see the problem number 5, which is based on limits of exponential function and logarithmic function of chapter limits. The problem number 5 is a limit extends to 0, a raised 3x minus a raised 2x minus a raised x plus 1 whole thing divided by x into sin x. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we denote given limit as a L. So L is equal to limit extends to 0, a raised 3x minus a raised 2x minus a raised x plus 1 whole thing divided by x into sin x, that equal to limit extends to 0. Now a raised 3x can be split up as a raised 2x into a raised x. And the remaining term, that minus a raised 2x minus a raised x plus 1, we write as it is, upon x into sin x, that equal to limit extends to 0. Now we take a raised 2x common from first two terms in the numerator. So in bracket we have a raised x minus 1, and from the remaining two terms, that minus a raised x plus 1, we take minus 1 common. So in bracket we left with a raised x minus 1 and then whole thing divided by x into sin x. So the next step will be limit extends to 0. Now from that we take a raised minus 1 common, and then the remaining terms, that a raised 2x and minus 1, we write in the second bracket upon x into sin x. Now to get rule, we have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. So the next step will be limit extends to 0, a raised x minus 1 whole thing divided by x as a one limit into limit extends to 0, a raised 2x minus 1 upon x as a second limit upon limit extends to 0, x into sin x upon x square. Now by using rule, that limit extends to 0, a raised x minus 1 upon x, that gives answer log a, into limit extends to 0, a raised 2x minus 1 upon x, so that gives answer log of a square, whole thing divided by, now in denominator we cancel x from numerator and denominator, so we left with limit extends to 0, sin x upon x. So the next step will be log of a into, now log of a square by using exponent law can be written as 2 times log a upon, in the denominator we have limit extends to 0, sin x upon x, that gives 1. So is equal to, we write 2 as it is, into log a into log a, so that gives log of a the whole square. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.